A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, and D makes D. E makes E, F makes F, and G makes G G G G G G G G. H makes H, I makes I, J makes J, and K makes K. L makes M makes
Hello friends, this is Miss Asia coming from Luga Daycare and Early Learning Center, Precious Stars. We are here to learn about reading and writing. Okay, I have a song for you. Here it goes. The spoon in the glass, the spoon in the glass. The spoon in the glass. We go again. The spoon in the glass. 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 Okay. Oh, today we are learning about letter sound. We have our friend. Someone here. I'm bringing out someone. Ta-da! Yes, we have sound. Sound. Okay, it is called. It is called. Wow, let's sing again. The spoon in the glass. 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 Okay, this is our letter sound. Our letter sound. Okay, hello friends. Okay, we're going to do the action for letter sound. For letter sound, we are going to do like this. Wow, beautiful. Thank you, friends. Okay, this is sound. Sound. Oh, thank you. Let me put it back here. Okay, we have something here new for you. I have something new. Wow. Stick. 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 Snake. Snake. Sun. Sun. Okay, even here. Oh, we have something here. Spoon. 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 Okay, let me put my spoon here. Oh, some friends of ours in our class, their names start with letter sound. Letter sound. Oh, we have Sarah. Sarah. We have Salma. We have Salma. We have also Sam. Sam is a friend of sound. We have Samuel. Is also a friend of sound. Okay, here we go again. The spoon in the glass. 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 Good. Now let's sing another sound. Oh, good. Let's sing another song. The snake is in the verse. The snake is in the grass. 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 Oh, today we have learned about sound and the friends of sound. Wow, we have the snake. We have a snake, and then we have the sun. A sun, and then we have a stick. A stick. They are all friends of sound. They are all friends of sound. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. Remember we learned about very many sounds, okay? Now here we go. I have another one. Ah sound. Ah sound. Ah. Okay. Answer my answer my answer my they're causing me alarm. They're causing me alarm. Okay, friends, we are going to talk about friends of sound. Friends of sound. Ant. Ant. Axe. Axe. Apple. Apple. Okay, friends, this is our sound. Our sound. Okay, let me put it here, and then we go to another one. Let's go. Ta-da! Yes, we have, this one is called tss, 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 tss. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Wow, this is tss. This is tss, 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 tss. Don't forget to make your head move. Tss, tss, tss. Oh, let me put it here, and then I have something here. These are friends of sound. Tss. Friends of sound. Tss, tss, tss. Okay. Tss. Tree. Tss. Tree. Tss. Tin. Tss. Tin. Tss. Table. Our beautiful table. Tss. Table. Tss. Tap. Tss. Tap. Yes, all of us, we have taps at our home. Tss. Tap. We also have trees in our compound. Tree. Can you peep around the window and then you see a tree? A tree. Yes, I have my tree at my back. If I peep in the window, we have it is a friend of sound. Tss, tss, tree. Tss, tin. Don't forget our friends of sound. Tss. Okay, let me put it here. Oh, we have another one here. Yes, here we go. This is sound. Sound. Wow, you put your finger on your mouth and then you say sound, sound. Okay, we have, this is our called sound. Yes. For the candles on the pig cake. Puff of the candles on the pig cake. Puff, puff, puff. For sound. Sound. Wow. Oh, let me put sound here. And then I look for friends of sound. Friends of sound. Wow. Yes, we have something here. We have a pot. 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 Pineapple. Pineapple. Pan. Pan. I know, friends, you know a pineapple. Yes, and you always eat it. We eat our fruit. It is called a fruit. A pineapple. And it is so yummy. I know you people, you enjoy eating pineapple. But today, a pineapple, it is a friend of sound. It is a friend of sound. Yes, we have a pan. Have you ever seen mommy using, when she's making a chapati, when she's cooking, she uses a pan. A pan. For sound. For sound. Yes. Wow. A pot. A pot. Pot. Wow. A pot, we use it to put our drinking water. Okay? Yes. That is our sound. Our sound. Yes. Let me put it here. Okay, friends, we are done with poo. We are done with poo. Yes. I know my sounds. I know my sounds. I know my sounds. I know my sounds. I have sound E. I have sound E. I have sound E. Yes, this is sound E. Can we try to do the action? Let me put it here. Sound E. Sound E. 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 Wow. It is E. Wow. Yes. Inky the mouse is my pet. She swallowed the ink and the prints. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Wow. For sound, E. For sound, E. For sound, E. Okay. Allow me to bring for you friends of sound, E. Friends of sound, E. Wow. We have friends here. We have ice cream. We have ice cream. Ice cream for sound, E. For sound, E. And then we have here. What do we have here? We have ink pot. We have ink pot. And then we have something here. We have igloo. It is called igloo. Wow. For sound, E. For sound, E. For sound, E. Yes, friends, allow me to put sound E here. Wow. I know my sounds. I know my sounds. I know my sounds. And I know my sounds. Wow. Lastly, we have sound. Sound. Wow. Here the airplane. Here the airplane. Here the airplane. Making lots of noise. Wow. This is sound. Sound. Remember, friends, when the airplanes are flying all over our houses, they make noise. Whenever they are flying, they make the noise of sound. They make the noise. Yes, friends, this is sound. Okay, let me put it here. And then we have this one. I've brought for you friends of sound. Friends of sound. Friends of sound. Yes. Wow. We have here. We have a nest. Nest. Remember, when you're making sound, our tongue is always up. We move our tongue up like this, and then we make like an airplane, like we are flying over. Okay, now we have this one, a nest. A nest, we find it on the tree. On the trees. Yes, the nest, it is made by the birds. They make it to lay their eggs in the nest. Have you seen the eggs inside the nest? Yeah. Wow, yes, their eggs, they keep them in the nest. Okay, and then we have a net. A net. A net. Yes, when we are playing, this is our net. We have the nail. The nail. Wow, is that friends of sound? Friends of sound? Don't forget them. Okay. I'm on my chips now. Chips now. I'm on my chips now. Chips now. Let's pause. I'm on my chips now. Chips now. I'm on my chips now. Chips now. Sound. Sound. Oh, I'm on my chips now. I'm on my chips now. Chips now. I'm on my chips now. Chips now. Sound. Ah. Sound. Ah. I'm on my chips now. I'm on my chips now. Sound. Sound. I'm on my chips now. I'm on my chips now. Sound. 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 I'm on my chips now. I'm on my chips now. Sound. E. Sound. E. Sound. E. I'm on my chips now. I'm on my chips now. Sound. Sound. Okay, friends. Wow, well done. Don't forget our beautiful sounds. Okay, today we have learned about our beautiful sounds. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye. Love you.